there.
Hi everyone, welcome to Friday Flow. Thank you for joining us. Mary, will you turn on hit the light, please? Sorry for running a little bit late. I'm going to be going over the kind of whys and wherefores of what I'm doing after I do what I'm doing. This soap is a really fast mover, so I want to go ahead and get this poured. I'm doing Outer Banks today. This is a fantastic masculine scent, but it seems to be appealing to people of both genders. So makes it fun, makes it enjoyable for me to do anyway. Mixing up the colorants real quickly. I just added the scent. So this is going to be our water.
Dang.
I'm going to go ahead and throw that in there. Some soaps I can take my time with, and I've actually got a video, I was thinking about this morning, of my making Lemon Grove, which is an all-natural soap. That one I can take my sweet time with, but this one, oh no. We are working on soap on a stick right now. Trying to anyway. Yep, that's a little much. This soap has been just a humongous hit already with my business. Probably this one and Ocean Isle have been the top sellers of my ocean line, of my sea line, featuring the North Carolina beaches. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Again, we're going to have a lot of sea on this one. And I think part of the reason it has gone so well is because every time Hannah, my 8-year-old, sells with me, she's like, when people say, what's your favorite? She said, she points to the soap, so. And she's just kind of irresistible. Okay, fire 2. This is going to be our sky as the storm rolls in. And that bluish gray. I have my oils a little bit on the warm side, and one of the oils the essential oil I use in this is known to accelerate trace, so that's why we have really thick soap. But it's kind of fun for this one because I don't want delicate swirls or layers. I want it to be harsh and rough because it's a storm. Storms aren't delicate or pretty or graceful. They're ferocious in their own right. So. Thank you. Alright, and then we're going to have our dark. This is going to be our clouds.
5 minutes.
Lock the door, please. I am busy right now. I try to control interruptions when I'm going live, but this doesn't always work that way. This is going to be our clouds. This is the storm moving in. Normally I use silver mica. My silver mica's MIA. Happens sometimes, but we're gonna get a gray. This really nice, rich black mica. There we go. The scent is something awesome. It's wild. It's the Outer Banks. It's some ocean, some cedar siding.
I'm gonna zip it up.
Some rain. Get that ozone in there. Alright, I'm going to give this a thump because it is so thick. We're going to get rid of the bubbles. And as soon as that is ready to go, I will post that. I'll post pictures of the slices on my page, putting it up to me. So I know people like to kind of see the whole